Hi students, good morning everybody. Look at this problem. So, if p plus r equal to 2q and 1 by q plus 1 by s equal to 2 by r, then prove that p is to q equal to r is to s. What is given? P plus r is equal to 2q and what is given? 1 by q plus 1 by s equal to 2 by r. Then prove that P is to Q is equal to R is to S. Now I will take LCM here. What is the LCM? QS. So what will you get? S1s are S plus Q equal to 2 by R. Just cross multiply. R into S plus Q equal to 2QS. RS plus RQ equal to 2QS. RS plus RQ equal to, instead of 2Q can I write P plus R? Here you have 2Q. So instead of that you can write P plus R into S, since 2Q is equal to P plus R. Okay. Then RS plus RQ is equal to PS plus RS. Okay. RS gets cancelled. Then RQ is equal to PS. So R by S is equal to P by Q. That implies, instead of P by Q we can write P is to Q equal to R by S, means R is to S. Therefore P is to Q equal to R is to S. Hence proved. Okay. If P plus R equal to 2Q and 1 by Q plus 1 by S equal to 2 by R, then prove that P is to Q equal to R is to S. Take the given thing, LCM, instead of 2Q write P plus R, simplify, we will get P is to Q equal to R is to R, R is to S. Okay. Let us see one more problem. Second question. If 2x minus 5 is to 3x plus 1 is the duplicate ratio of 2 is to 3. Find x. By the way, what is the duplicate ratio of 2 is to 3? Already I told you, duplicate ratio of a is to b is a square is to b square. So the duplicate ratio, first you find out duplicate ratio of 2 is to 3. Duplicate ratio of 2 is to 3 is 2 square is to 3 square. That means 4 is to 9. But as per the data, what is the duplicate ratio of 2 is to 3? They gave 2x minus 5 is to 3x plus 1. 2x minus 5 is to 3x plus 1 equal to 4 is to 9. Okay. Now, the equality of two ratios is called a proportion. What is the proportionality condition? Product of means equal to product of extremes. Product of means equal to product of extremes. So 4 into 3x plus 1 equal to 9 into 2x minus 5. So multiply here. 4 3s are 12x plus 4 equal to 9 2s are 18x minus 9 5s are 45. So 12x minus 18x equal to minus 45 minus 4. So minus 6x equal to minus 49. Minus minus cancel. So x equal to 49 by 6. Therefore, the value of x is 49 by 6. Okay? That is the procedure. Let us see one more problem. Okay? Third question. If 8a minus 5b, 8a minus 5b by 8c minus 5d equal to 8a plus 5b by 8c plus 5d, then prove that a by b equal to c by d. Okay? What is given here? Given 8a minus 5b by 8c minus 5d equal to 8a plus 5b by 8c plus 5d. This is given. What should you prove? To prove, what should you prove here? A by b equal to c by d. Now once observe the given thing, 8a minus 5b, here we have 8a plus 5b. Here 8c minus 5d, here 8c plus 5d. Just by using alternation, alternando, just I will shift the terms here. 8a minus 5b write as it is. I am bringing 8a plus 5b to the denominator here. 8a plus 5b equal to this 8c minus 5d I will write there. 8c minus 5d by 8c plus 5d. How did I write this step? By alternando. Alternation. So we can just exchange the terms here. This comes here, this goes there. Okay? Now same similar terms are there. So I can apply directly componendo and dividendo. So 8a minus 5b plus 8a plus 5b upon 8a minus 5b minus 8a minus 5b equal to 8c minus 5d plus 8c plus 5d by 8c minus 5d minus 8c minus 5d. Since by componendo and dividendo. Okay? Now similar terms minus 5b plus 5b plus 8a minus 8a plus 5d minus 5d plus 8c minus 8c cancel. So 16a by 10b equal to 16c, 8c plus 8c minus 5d minus 10d, right? So minus minus gets cancelled, 16 cancel, 10 cancel. So what is remaining? A by b equal to c by d. That only we have to prove, right? Therefore, a by b equal to c by d. Hence proved. Clear? This is the end of solution. Okay? Let us see one more problem. Fourth problem. Fourth question. If A is to B equal to C is to D. If A is to B equal to C is to D, then prove that 3a minus 5b by 3a plus 5b equal to 3c minus 5d by 3c plus 5d. Okay, what is given here? What is given? A is to B equal to C is to D. By using this ratio, I must prove this one. So can I write like this? A by B, A is to B is nothing but A by B equal to C by D. Okay. Now 3 and 5 is there in the conclusion, right? So for that purpose, I will multiply and divide with 3 and 5. This side also I will multiply and divide with 3 and 5. Okay? Or multiply both sides by 3 by 5. Simple thing. Since multiplying both sides by 3 by 5, there will be no problem. 3 by 5 gets cancelled, then you will get the same thing. Okay, so what is remaining here? 3a by 5b equal to 3c by 5d, right? Now take the component on the dividendo. How do we write component on the dividendo? 3a plus 5b by 3a minus 5b equal to 3c plus 5d by 3c minus 5d. Since by componendo and dividendo. Okay. Now, but this is not the term we have to prove. Just you see here 3a minus 5b is in the denominator. Suppose if I take invertendo condition, as per invertendo condition, I can write 3a minus 5b by 3a plus 5b equal to 3c minus 5d by 3c plus 5d. Since by invertendo reciprocals, both sides we can take reciprocals, then we will get required one. Okay, so 3a minus 5b upon 3a plus 5b equal to 3c minus 5d by 3c plus 5d. Hence proof. Okay, that is the end of solution. That is the fourth one. Let us see one more problem. Fifth solution. Fifth question. If x by a, this is the important problem. If x by a equal to y by b equal to z by c, then show that x cube by a cube plus y cube by b cube plus z cube by c cube equal to 3xyz by abc. Okay, so what is given here? What is given? X by a equal to y by b equal to z by c. Let it be k. Whenever we are given like this, let it be k is equal to k. This method is called k method. So x by a, y by b, z by c, three terms are given. Let it be k. That means x by a equal to k, y by b equal to k, z by c also k. Okay. X equal to cross multiply ka, y equal to kb, z equal to kc. Cross multiply. Okay. Now you take LHS there. What is LHS? X cube by A cube plus Y cube by B cube plus Z cube by C cube. Instead of X I can write Ka. So Ka whole cube by A cube. Y means Kb whole cube by B cube. Kc whole cube by C cube. This also I can write it as K cube A cube by A cube, because whole cube now we can expand. K cube B cube by B cube. This is K cube C cube by C cube, right? So A cube cancel, B cube cancel, C cube cancel. K cube K cube. How many K cubes are there? 3 K cube. That is the term for LHS. Okay. So LHS value I got 3K cube. By substituting X value Ka, Y value Kb and Z value Kc. Let us see RHS also. What is RHS? 3XYZ by ABC. 3. What is the value of X there? Ka, Kb and Kc upon ABC. AA cancel, BB cancel, CC cancel. So 3 K into K, 3 cube, 3K cube. See, RHS also equal. So LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, X cube by A cube plus Y cube by B cube plus Z cube by C cube equal to 3XYZ upon ABC. Hence, prove. Hope it is clear. We will see some more problems in the next class. Thank you.